Now friends, you can see this is the discussion class. It's being called experience knowledge, and as well as experience knowledge is a means of their skill, based on skill, or bookly knowledge is based on their certificates or degrees. So see that the people are discussing with a very highly false. They are giving their best to each other. They are trying to give the good reply to each other. I have recorded to all one and I have sent it to these online. See one of his skill. Now the people are also looking up to each other. Have you discussed any? Is there a remaining? Yes, carry on to discuss now. Carry on to discuss now.
Come in a point like in a UPSC for becoming a IAS officer or PCS officer, you need to crack some of the UPSC exam. But here is a must need of bookly knowledge, because on behalf of experience you didn't crack the UPSC at all. And in an interview, there's also much need of bookly knowledge, because in an interview they say that you there's no anything that only basis of one book.
अगर suppose that the need crackers exam are very experienced by cutting off operation and auto SP, but they are much experienced person, and that's after crack the exam he can, and most of the doctors are need to and come, and how many years are experienced person by auto SP and operation.
I convince with you, but in the firstly they need to build their base. So for make their base good, so they need to learn. They need to read a many of the books for crack the NEET exam firstly. Then they come in a doctor's field. Then in that time when they learn many things in a book, because basis of that book they easily get the good experience, because it's their basis good. So somehow or other they find a good advantage.
The books are make a build a little something, creating just a little something a base, but experience more important our reading, because you can say the aircraft person
without book knowledge you can't know how to run on anything, because you can't have any knowledge to what was the topic, what was the study, what was the experience. You can't have any, because you study in anything, any study material to crack that exam. After that you find any job, and that's why you get chance of option open by that experience, because any book of knowledge you can't open that option of experience.
Okay, firstly I am Ashan, and I am saying about the experience knowledge. You said in the bookish knowledge you have for the job and after all that need. But if you have not the experience knowledge, like in the engineering line, in the medical line, they have the teacher and professor teach only 50 to 70% in the whole semester or year, only the practical knowledge, like they will do their in the surgery of the dummy bodies and or also the original bodies. And in engineering line also, like in the college they are technical in the machine learning, everything there is a practical knowledge. From book knowledge you only have the degree, but if you have not the practical knowledge, or you have not the first of all I complete, if you have not the experience knowledge, you will not get any job, any you will not get open on any startup or any hospital. If you
say about the degrees, I think if you have a bookish knowledge, so you can read a lot of books, and you can read a lot of books, and you can do a lot of work. You can teach to the children what is this. If you don't have enough, you don't have any type of knowledge about the particular field, you have not experience about the in a particular field, so how will you face to other person? How will you
Because I am not accepted in degree, because I do not study properly, so I am not passing in exam, so I am not official. So do not face the any children in class.
Because if you want to get a degree, the professor degree, so you will have to study in a particular field. After that you will get a degree. Without a study you cannot get any degree.
Without studying in the past and any exam.
What?
a lot of person are also doing a study. After that, they will pass exam without studying, because a lot of institution also opened here. They offer to every person.
You can't treat anyone. If we talking about the engineers first of all learn how to build anything like a car, how to build a car. Then he make this car, na. If we talking about the doctor, first of all doctor learn how to treat anyone. Then he treat them, na.
But if you don't have the experience to treat the papers, then how you can become a doctor?
But first of all you learn, na. If you
and they get earn a lot of money without experience. With experience, you can only provide your service.
But by having the experience, they are getting the work.
They are getting the,
By having the experience, they are getting the work. This is,
but experience only do one work.
no, experience is in everything.
But experience take time. Skill not take time. So I think skill is important for our life.
But I think experience is also more important, because sometimes you get knowledge from the experience also.
But it is another part. It is not related by books.
I think sometimes you get the knowledge from the experience.
Yeah, it is. I am agree. But that knowledge is not helpful in this era, because that means take time. When they serve you some knowledge after experience, after book knowledge, you can easily provide your service and earn money.
Okay, so you can give some examples where book knowledge is important.
Because currently I am sitting in this floor. This floor is built by an civil engineer. They have skill.
Book knowledge is based on reading your books and other things of your learning, and like a teachers, and you will crack your examination and other things. And experience knowledge is based on nothing is book knowledge. That's the reason of book knowledge. And what do you think about your experience knowledge? And experience knowledge is not based on is based on booking knowledge. You will not provided in booking knowledge.
And experience always help us. The experience you will do not your work again and again. You will always forget your knowledge.
You will practice on one skill, and you will
practice and more practice, then you will experience it in one skill, not other skills. You will not achieve everything. You will achieve only one skill that you will do.
One pupil are practice with practice